What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here. Got Lieutenant Dan pulled out. I've been working on it a little bit more since the last video. I got the seats pulled out, got the bumperettes pulled off and the brackets for the tailgate. So just doing a little miscellaneous stuff, but in this video the goal is going to be to get everything off the firewall and get it so we can pull the tub off. Hopefully that'll be the final part of the video, is getting the tub completely pulled off of here so we can start treating the frame, treating the underside of the tub. So let's get started on pulling all this stuff off of here. Alright, let me show you the progress we're making on this. It's pretty good. So we got the steering column out all the way down to the steering box. Got the brake master cylinder unhooked. And let's see what else. A couple electrical plugs had to be unconnected to get the steering column out, but other than that, it's going smooth. Alright guys, we made really good progress today. Showed you before, we got the steering column out, the brake master, got the wiring harness unplugged, got the coolant lines taken off right here, got the battery tray taken off. What I'm going to do actually is undo the dash, and that will give me better access to both the clutch and to that wiper fluid line that's back here. And then I'll have to undo the speedo cable as well. So we're going to do that tomorrow, but we're making really good progress. Alright, so I got the dash pulled off, and let me show you what this looks like. I'm actually really pleased. It's dirty. You can see dirt up here and stuff, but the wiring is actually all the original wiring. It's all in really good shape. I don't see any fraying or breaking of wires. All the air control cables function on their actuators and stuff, except for I need to figure out this one. It's not working quite right. Alright guys, look at how nice this cleaned up in here. One thing that's really cool in here is the glove box. It's almost made out of cardboard and just stapled together. It's really cool. So I got some of the electrical stuff cleaned up, but I didn't do it all because I made a discovery. And that is on this main branch of the harness, there's a couple wires that have melted. And I was trying to figure out what caused it. And you can see over on this side, the harness just rests right here on this steering column support. And this wiring harness, all they have is a wrap of electrical tape around it. So it rubbed right through under here. Hopefully you can see that, but I think that's what happened is it rubbed through, shorted out some of the wires, they melted. Luckily that's all that happened and it didn't actually melt everything and burn everything down. So what I think I'm gonna do is actually undo all the plugs and the gauges, label them really nicely, and get it to where I can pull this harness out a little bit, fix those wires, put some loom over the wires, clean it up a lot more. So in this case, we're not going to leave good alone, because in this case, good is not very good. There's some melted wires in there that are going to cause problems down the road. So we're going to tear into it and fix it a little bit. Alright guys, we got the dash out. It really was not that bad. I just took my time labeling everything, unplugging it from the gauges. I had to take all the heater control stuff off, which again really wasn't hard either. I took pictures with my phone all along the way, so I have a reference as I put it back together. So the next thing we got to figure out is how to get this harness out of here. All right, so in order to get that harness out of there, I had to take the whole pedal assembly out. As you can see, let me show you the damage to the harness. All the way back there, just kind of spirals around right to there. So I think this is kind of snowballing, but I think at this point I might as well just pull the whole harness out, and that way I can find a comfortable working space to repair that, inspect it for any other damage. But and then at that point, like this wasn't the plan. I was almost debating not even touching the dash on this, but at that point I might as well pull the air ducts and the heater core and all that, and just pull everything out and do it right, I guess. I said this wasn't going to be a complete restoration, but the more I dig into it, the more it just keeps snowballing. And it's a good thing though. It's actually really fun. Everything's in really good condition, so I feel like at this point I might as well just keep pushing forward with that. So let's do that. Let's get the wiring harness off and get the air ducts out and see what else we need to do to completely clear the tub of anything. So here we go. Anyways, it may not have seemed like a lot of progress in this video, but it really felt like it to get everything pulled out of the dash area, all the heater stuff, all the vents, all the pedals, all the wiring. Got everything pulled out, assessed it. We're diving a little deeper than I was anticipating, but that's fine. I think it'll be fun. So anyways, that's the next step we've done on Lieutenant Dan. So like I said, next video we'll keep pressing forward. I hope you guys are enjoying this build. I think this is really fun. This Jeep is so simple that it just makes it really enjoyable to work on. So anyways, we will see you guys in the next video.